Hello and welcome to Good Spanish. Get good at it. Short and easy tutorials for Spanish lovers. We continue with El Alfabeto, the Spanish alphabet. Before that, please give all your love and support to this channel, subscribe and help it grow. Let's continue. There are 27 letters, 27 letras, 5 vocales, 5 vowels, and 22 consonantes, 22 consonants in the Spanish alphabet. And in this video, we learn about the consonants H, J and K. So, empezamos! Letter H is pronounced as H, H, and it sounds as, well, it doesn't have any sound. It's silent. Let's have a look at a few examples. Ejemplos. Hotel, hotel, no sound of H. Hotel. Hola, hola. Let's repeat. Hotel, hola. Letter J is pronounced as Jota, Jota. A mix of K and H, but H is more prominent. Jota. Now, in case you're wondering, where is letter I? Well, letter I is covered as part of Spanish vowels. So you can watch that video. Coming back to letter J. It's pronounced as Jota and sounds as H, H. A mix of K and H. Ejemplos. Examples. Jirafa, jirafa. Jabón, jabón. Let's repeat. Jirafa, jabón. Letter K is pronounced as Ka, Ka. And it sounds as K, normal letter K of English, K. Ejemplos, examples. Kenya, Kenya. Karaoke, karaoke. Let's repeat. Kenya, karaoke. Now, a quick review or repaso. H, H, J, Jota, K, Ka, H, Jota, Ka, H, Jota, Ka. That's it in this video. Please like this video, share it with other Spanish lovers. Leave your feedback and suggestions in the comment section below. Please give all your love and support to this channel, subscribe and help it grow. Until then, adios amigos.